Before we begin, click subscribe to stay up to date with all of our newest video content.
The knowledge tip from CS3 today is creating and using selection lists. Some clients have been recently asking me about this subject, and I think it will be beneficial to you while using Sage HRMS. The employee selection list allows you to create groups of employees. Many employee-related Sage HRMS payroll windows will allow you to select which employees to include in a process, task, or report. After you create a selection list, you can use it on any Sage HRMS payroll window that has a selection list field. Selection lists can be used for the following: calculate payroll, assign earn deed to employee, assign tax to employees, update earn deed for all employees, update tax for all employees, and you can also use it for printing reports. We will go to payroll. Underneath the task column, we will choose employee selection. The first thing we will do is select the code up to 8 characters long, the description up to 60 characters long, then tab down to the employee box. There are several ways that you can add employees to a selection list. One is manually, two is automatically. And automatically you have several options below with the copy, criteria, and combine buttons. Copy, this button lets you copy all the employees of an existing selection list to the list that you are now creating. Criteria, this button lets you specify a broad range of criteria by which to select employees for your list. Combine, this button lets you choose employees from 2 existing selection lists when creating a new list. Right now, we will manually select several people using the employee find. Tab down or hit your insert key button to get to the next line. Now we have 2 employees in our selection list. As you can see, now the copy, criteria, and combine buttons have grayed out and you can no longer use them. The reason for that is once you put one employee into this new selection list, you will not be able to use any of the automatic buttons that are supplied. We will now hit add, and we have now created an employee selection list called bonus. One example of a place that you could use this, if you go to payroll, process payroll, and select calculate payroll, you now have a selection list that you can choose from under that field. We can choose bonus, hit select, and only those 2 people who are in those selection lists will calculate on this payroll.
Was this video helpful? Click subscribe to see more videos like this one.